This is Dr. Philip Tan's PlayThink Innovate, a creative problem-solving framework. And for decades, he's had the privilege of contributing to iconic projects like the opening of the National Stadium, Gardens by the Bay, ASEAN Paragames, and many more as a creative director. These experiences have taught him the power of innovative thinking and its impact on shaping our world. He has seen firsthand how a simple idea can blossom into something extraordinary when nurtured by creativity and collaboration. Throughout his journey, he has developed and continued to refine this creative problem-solving framework that has consistently yielded remarkable results. This framework, PlayThink Innovate, is not just a methodology but a philosophy, a way of approaching challenges with a fresh perspective and a playful spirit. What sets PlayThink Innovate apart is its unique approach to blending personal interests in a collaborative manner to achieve professional goals. It encourages one to tap into your passions and leverage them as catalysts for innovation. This approach has proven to be incredibly effective in fostering a dynamic and fulfilling work environment. It transcends the boundaries of business organizations and enriches various creative endeavors. Whether it's expanding academic writing, devising innovative strategies for marketing campaigns, or a designer crafting a fresh concept for a new product launch, Dr. Philip Tan's PlayThink Innovate is the key to unlocking new possibilities and driving success. Let's explore how this remarkable tool can transform our work and inspire groundbreaking outcomes. The first step in our PlayThink Innovate journey is celebrate. This aims to cultivate a deep appreciation for the world around us. Go see and enjoy. Yes, that's simple. Go visit stores.